In a clean glass cup, add 2 spoons of chia seed, a cup of milk, allow it to stay overnight. In a bowl, add a cup of oatmeal, cover it with a cup of water, a pinch of salt, stir and keep to stay over the night. Now, in a clean blender, add your soaked chia seed, soaked cooker oats, 2 sticks of banana, depends on how sweet you want it to be. I added a little, like 5 pieces of dates for sweetening. You can decide not to. Then blend it together. This is very wonderful. This breakfast is so delicious, so healthy. It gives you strength, make you feel full, promotes weight loss. It's a very wonderful breakfast, I tell you. Why did I even forget the other room for you, man? Try this breakfast and thank me later. Welcome everyone, this is Kitchen Discovery. Please do well by subscribing. This is one channel by grace of God you will not regret subscribing to. We have loads and loads of good content to show you. Just stay with us. Thank you. Comment how you feel about this breakfast. Will you be trying it or not? Please let us know in the comment section. Thank you. I did some topping with blackberry because of the health benefits and the sour taste. You can try it with any other related fruits of your choice. Thank you for watching. See you again in another video. Bye.